I think I need to find a place to camp. And over there looks as good as any other place. Anything in the world that feels better than taking off ski boots. Oh my goodness. I think we're gonna get a lot of snow tonight. Curious to see how this tarp holds up. It is cold outside and it's getting colder by the moment. Time to make some food. All right, for dinner I'm having beef stew. I made it at home, vacuum sealed it, and then threw it in the freezer. All I have to do now is heat and eat. I got some Ling Himui covered mango. All right, got some hot tang here. Man, the temperature's dropping like a rock and I'm not moving around. My coat's a little wet. Oh, I'm cold. Oh. Got all the boiling water in my thermos here. Just gonna go like that. Oh, I needed that so bad. Let's go ahead and eat some dinner. Got some sweet potatoes and carrots and beef chunks. Oh, that tastes so good. It's warming my hands up too. I hit the spot, but I am cold and tired, and I just want to get into bed.